Hi, welcome back to my page. Today it's going to be real short and sweet. My daughter wanted some tilapia. Now, sometimes if I do post, I'll do something healthy and then sometimes not. We working moms and entrepreneurs, sometimes we just don't have time. Our day goes longer than what it should, so we need to come up with something real quick, right? Well, she cooked some macaroni and cheese, and then I'm going to throw in the pot some tilapia. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. So, let me show you what I'm using. These are 3 frozen tilapias that I got from Costco. I'm going to also pour in some chicken broth that I got from Sprouts. Don't knock it. Do not knock it. And then I'm going to put it all in the pressure cooker XL. This thing works wonders. Here are the seasonings that I used. I didn't do too much because, again, the chicken broth is going to do the majority. Here's how it looks. I have the chicken broth at the bottom and then the seasoning, and I add a little butter because why? My family likes it. I cook according to their taste. So, again, this is what my family likes. But it only took a couple of minutes and then we're going to cook it. Okay, and next we are going to go ahead and start. So I already locked this and I'm going to press fish. So I'm doing this through the iPad, and then we're going to take it to 10 minutes because it's frozen. Okay, I like it at 10. You might like it at 4. Totally up to you. It's going to warm up and then it's going to start, and then I will show you how it looks. And it only took 10 minutes. Now I can go and do other things. Now I'm just adding some string beans to it. My family really don't care for vegetables, but I'm going to go ahead and make them eat it tonight. And so I have some string beans, some seasoning, and what else? Water? No, no, no. Chicken broth. They love it when I put in the chicken broth. All right, it's all done. See that fish? Oh, love it like that. That's her mac and cheese, and threw in some veggies. And that was done within, let's say, 20 minutes to prepare. That's it. She's ready to eat. Now this right here is the hubby's plate. Why? Because we believe in leftovers. And I added in some potatoes with cheese because that's the way he likes it. And he gets to eat some string beans as well. Plate looks a little bit bigger than what the portion size is because he's a grown man. So he likes a lot of food. It looks a little bit bigger than it does here. But there you are. All right, it is all done and they are happy. Now for me, I am going to have a salad because I'm on that weight loss journey I talked about in the other video. Okay? All righty, have a great day. And remember, love God, love yourself, and love your family. All right, have a good night or a good day, whatever time zone you're in. Bye.